Are you thinking of launching an IGTV channel, or you have one already and you're looking for a way to repurpose your standard YouTube size landscape videos for a vertical IGTV one? Well, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can repurpose your landscape videos for IGTV. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, please subscribe, and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. So you shot a YouTube video and you're looking to find a way to repurpose that video for IGTV. The problem is YouTube videos are normally landscape and IGTVs are more optimized for vertical videos. So what do? Well, there are quite a few ways that you can repurpose your YouTube videos for IGTV so that you don't have to do twice the work, you don't have to film again specifically for IGTV. In this video I'm going to be showing you exactly that. So if there's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching. What I normally do is to open up Premiere Pro and I create a condensed version of my video, and it's around 1 minute long because I believe IGTV has a requirement that your footage has to be at least 1 minute long. So I make it a minute long, and it could be a bit slightly more than that. Well, it just contains a condensed version of my video, just a few catchy bits in there, not the whole video, because I use IGTV to then direct traffic to my YouTube channel. So I never put the full video on IGTV. So once I'm good with the condensed video, then I export it and save it on my computer. The next thing I then do is to open up Canva. But you guys are wondering why I always use Canva, and this is because I want anybody to be able to follow my tutorials. There's no point using Photoshop and you guys don't have access to Photoshop, then that would make my tutorials a bit hard to follow. I keep using Canva because it is free and it's readily available. I will start by clicking on create a design on the right hand side there, and I will look for the Instagram story dimension because that's what you need for IGTV, the Instagram story dimension. Once you click on it, then it will open a blank workspace for you. For the sake of time, we'll just use a ready-made template so we don't have to start from scratch, and I will select this one, and the red one is bright and colorful. So we'll click on that and select on one of the pages. So once that loads, we can start editing and tweaking it. I'm going to remove one of the picture frames that I don't need, and I'll just expand this one and reshape it. So it's currently in a square shape, we need a rectangular shape to suit the video we will import. I'll also amend the shape of the Polaroid picture frame as well. So now we have a rectangular shape, which is perfect for our video, and I'll just tidy up and replace that text with something a bit more meaningful. So I'll go for new video out, and at the bottom I will add the name of the YouTube channel for people to go to. And once I'm done, I want to add a subscribe icon. So I'll go to Element and I'll look for a subscribe sticker to add, and I'll just select one of the subscribe stickers to place on my design. That would do. I'll drag that to the bottom and resize it. Once I'm done, I will click on upload and upload the video that we previously saved, the condensed video, and then drag it into our frame that has already been created for us. So that's it, guys. A very good way of repurposing your video for IGTV. You don't need to refilm, you don't need to change any dimensions, just need to insert it. Once you're happy, download it to your computer and transfer it to your phone, or just use the web to upload it to IGTV And there you have it. If you guys have any questions, please put them down in the comment section, or if you have any video requests as well, please let me know. And I hope this was helpful. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button and remember to click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. Before you go, want to check out the 2 videos on the screen. The first one showing you how to move your videos from your phone to your PC to edit, and the second one showing you how to customize generic stock images for your business. See you in the next video.